If you missed it today, there's Dylan Ferrandis with another huge crash. And this is press day for Daytona. This isn't even a race, heat, qualifying, whatever. This is just riding around for the press to come and look at you and take some pictures. And this comes right after his concussion, face slam, whatever, his other big crash earlier this year, where he's been out for at least 2 or 3 weeks now. And you gotta say, do they really want to keep him riding for Supercross? At this point, there's nothing to race for except for, him for some win and podium bonuses. But he's out of the championship. There's no way he's gonna be top 3, top 5, whatever it is. And then you got stuff like this where he's just slamming his face again. Once there, then the bike rips him again, hits here, snaps his neck, and then hits the ground again. And you gotta say, at what point do they just say, nope, hold on, we're going to take you off the Supercross, you're going to go train for motocross, and we're just going to keep you healthy and hopefully contend for a championship there, because there's no purpose at getting hurt playing or racing Supercross when you can't win anything. So in comments below, you tell me, do you think you should stop and just race motocross, just prep for that and be done with this season, heal up and be safe? Or do you think he races or tries to race the rest of Supercross, whatever it is? In the comments below, tell me your opinion, because obviously it's fun. As you're going down there, like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because obviously playing the YouTube algorithm game helps me a lot and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.